win loads of football prizes with Cadbury's multi-packs.
What did you win?
Football stuff. Yeah.
Read it then.
It says Premier League VIP matchday experience plus 1 million. No, I don't know what it says. One something. No, 1,000. 1 million.
1 million.
Oh, 1 million. Yeah.
1 million prizes.
1 million of other prizes available.
Like
People
footballs.
can enter at match and win Cadbury C Pack 40 and C's.
1 million other prizes available.
Yeah, that means.
That's a lot. All right, get.
Today we received our first Cadbury's match and win prizes. And there's more to come, but let's see what we got this time. So first, let's open this little one here. Yeah. I know how to open it. Ooh, it's a keyring that says Cadbury's FC. Let's see what these are. Let's open this one first. Oh, it feels like waterproofy. Let's see what it is. It's a sports bag! Yay!
Is it waterproof?
No, but it feels like so. It's not waterproof though.
Might be.
It's too thin to be waterproof.
Say waterproof on that. Have a look.
Okay, so it says no, what's it? It says drawstring bag. You can put it in water, but it's not waterproof. This is the first one. Let's open the second one. So here are the stuff. Open the second one. It's the same thing. Now we got two. Oh, okay. And then the kiwi. The kiwi is heavy. Not heavy, but it's heavy for the kiwi. It's like I think it's a magnet. Let's see if it's a magnet. I think it is. It's a magnet. It's a magnet. Tell me it's a magnet. It's a magnet. It's.
Trap magnet.
It's a kind of magnet.
Let's have a look.
See, look, it's a kind of magnet.
Very weak magnet.
Tell me it's a magnet. I think it's a magnet.
If you take the ring off, yeah, it might. Is it sticky? Is it?
It's a magnet.
No, I don't think it's a magnet. No, it's sticky at the back. Not sticky, but it's got that plastic thing, so you can stick it on if you push hard.
Yeah,
So you can use it as a magnet, but it's not a magnet. But if you put it there and stick it, push it on.
I'm stronger than you're not strong enough. You have to be very strong like me. Ta-da! Does it fall off? So technically this is a 2-in-1. It's a keyring, but it can also work as a fridge magnet or an everything magnet. So do enter the Cadbury's Match and Win promotion because you can win a prize every week. Soon we can fill up this whole fridge full of them.